Okay, quick video about the confirmation window that pops up. Let's have a look. What happens when we post this transaction? I think we need to put in an account to post to. There we go. And let's post this transaction. So there we've got a confirmation come up. Da 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 da. Now, if I had multiple transactions, I could say, "Don't ask again." In which case, it will now plow through the sheet. I think it caches 50 transactions and then pushes them to zero. In Sage 50 and 200, it just blops them one by one. But that would then allow me to continue. Now, in settings and switches, down here we can actually turn this off. In fact, it will still come up with a warning that it's turned off, and are you sure you really want to post? Will appear. If you untick this, that will put it into silent mode. So you could actually have a macro or VBA script that switches between sheets. You can actually have 5 sheets of transactions, say, for different companies, and it will post to those 5 companies if you're clever enough. Below we can customize what we see on the confirmation. We can turn the nominal breakdown off and the cost and all the tracking, and basically customize that confirmation screen to some degree. So having turned it off, if I now OK and now I press import, oh, it worked.